Diode clipping circuit. A circuit by which the unwanted part or the portion of the waveform is removed or cut without affecting the remaining or the another part or portion is called clipping circuits. Now, this clipping circuit, it is also known as a voltage or current limiter or slicer or amplitude selector. Diode and resistors are used in the clipping circuit. That means this clipping circuit consists of diode and resistor. Battery is used in the bias clipping circuits. Now, if we want or we require to flat waveform of the given waveform, we should select the value of this resistance in such a way that it becomes R is equal to under root RFRR. RF is the resistance offered by diode in forward condition, and where RR is the resistance offered by the diode in reverse condition. There are four types of clipping circuits are used: positive clipper, second negative clipper, third bias clipper, fourth combined clipper. Now let we see one by one these different types of clipper circuit. First, positive clipper. So already we have seen what is clipper. Clipper, it is nothing but we clip the waveform which is not required. It is called clipper. So what is positive? So positive clipper, it is a circuit which clip the positive half cycle of input. That means whatever your input voltage is given to this circuits, it clips the positive half cycles of the inputs. That means it is removed, and we will get only the negative input half cycle in the output circuit. So do you understand? It's clip only positive half portion of the input cycle, and the remaining portion, that means negative portion of the input cycle, is shown in the output circuit, or it is available on the output terminal. That's why it is called positive clipper circuit. So there are two types of positive clipper circuit. First, series positive circuit. Second, shunt positive circuit. Now this is series positive clipper circuit, which consists of diode and load resistance RL. Now diode connected in series as shown in this figure. That's why it is called series positive clipper circuit, and RL is connected in parallel, and we will take an output from this output from across this load resistance RL. So another most important, you should keep one point in your mind. When diode it is in forward bias, that means when diode is connected in forward bias, that means positive voltage is applied to the anode in compared to cathode. That time it offers very low resistance. But when it is connected in reverse bias, it offers very high resistance. So it is most important. Now in this case, during the positive half cycle, the cathode terminal of diode becomes positive in compared to anode terminal. So now in this case, diode it is in reverse bias condition. That means it's offer very high resistance. So this time this diode act as a open circuit. Do you understand? It acts as an open circuit. That means there is no current passing through this resistance. So there is no voltage drop across this resistance. So we will get zero output. That means there is no outputs available in the output circuit. So you can say during positive half cycle there is no output. Do you understand why it is not appear in output circuit? Because this diode acts as a open circuit during the positive half cycle, positive input half cycle. Now when during the negative half cycle of this input voltage, that means the anode terminal becomes higher potential, or it is positive in compared to cathode. That means it acts as a short circuit. That means it is closed. So due to this closed circuit and due to this negative voltage, a current is start to flow from this resistance RL. it is closed circuit, that means its current is passing through this resistance. It's a flow from lower to upper, and due to this current, voltage drop appear across this resistance RL, and its value is equal to input voltage. So during this negative voltage appear across this output terminal. So we can say that we will get negative voltage at the output shunt positive clipper circuit. Now, as shown in this figure, the diode is connected in parallel with the input signal. And you should take care about the polarity of this diode. Anode is connected to the positive terminal or phase of this input cycle, and negative terminal is connected to the cathode of this diode. It is most important, and resistance RL, load resistance, is connected in series. So this is the circuit of the shunt positive clipper circuit. Now let me see how it will work. Now during the positive half cycle, positive input half cycle, the anode terminal becomes positive in compared to cathode. So due to this diode, it works as a short circuit. That means it is in on condition. So that's why the current is flow from resistance, load resistance to diode, and then negative terminal. Now due to these currents, the voltage drop appear across this load resistance. So whatever the value of this voltage drop across this resistance is equal to input voltage. So we will get zero output in the output circuit. So during this period, V0 is equal to 0 volt. So during positive cycle, we cannot get any output voltage. Now during the negative half cycle, this anode terminal, cathode terminal becomes positive in compared to anode terminal. That means it is reverse bias, and it offers very high resistance, and it acts as a open circuit. So we will get the output voltage in the output circuit, but it is in negative direction. So you can say that in this circuit also the positive portion of input cycle is clipped, and we will get only negative portion of input cycle in the output circuit.